regarding the hole transferring, there is only let's say 2 or 3 very helpful devices that you need to buy, and it's a very cheap device, and it's a very good way to work and to obtain very accurate things. So the first thing you need to buy or to have is a magnetic welding holder. So it's a kind of device like that. So you have 90 degrees between those faces, and you have 45 degrees between those faces, and 90 between those one. So and there is a magnet inside. So it's very convenient because it helps you to keep in place the plate you have. So when you work such a big device, you only put it like that inside inside a column. You put a plate on it, and the plate will not move. So you can make some very fine adjustments regarding the height, the position, and it's a very accurate way to maintain the plate. If you do not have such things, you can use some clamp thing like that, but clamps are not so easy to use than the magnetic holder. So I have 4 of them. I guess it's maybe $10 each. So it's a very good thing to have them, and it can help you in a very different situation, also to make some setup and things like that. So first thing first is to have a good set of magnetic holders to help you to make the job. So it helped me to make all this machine, and you can see I have around the machine, and it's a good thing to have then around the machine to maintain things and so on. The only drawback of the magnetic holder is that it retains all the, as it is a magnetic stuff, it retains all the burrs, and you need to have a very clean workshop. If not, you will see a lot of steel particles to be stuck on these kind of things. So it's the only drawback, but it's not a big drawback. Even if you have some stuck steel material on the holder, you can remove it easily. It's not a big concern. So the first thing that you need to have. The second thing, and this one is not optional. Yeah, it's the way that you will transfer the holes. So it's the set of punch, and if I take one, it's quite a long punch, and there is a very small and accurate tip here, and the diameter you can find them in imperial dimension, and you can find them also in metric dimension, and so the sets cover a certain range of dimension, and you use them, and I will show you in detail how it works, but you use the hole that you have as a guide. So it's this way that you have a very accurate transferring hole. So this kind of set, you need to buy one. Do not go for a cheap one, because a cheap one you will break the tip and so on. So it's not very very complicated to find one. You can also create your own one with some typical steel and make some heat treatment on it. But the price that you can find on the market today is quite low, and you can.